A violent storm passed through parts of Brandenburg and Berlin on Monday evening. State of emergency on Monday evening in Berlin from 7:30 p.m. to 1:15 a.m. The fire brigade went out on 391 missions. Trees were uprooted and fell onto cars, railroad tracks and bus stops. Roofs were torn off and objects were thrown about. It was short but intense. A storm swept across the capital at over 110 km per hour on Monday evening. The damage from the storm is likely to run into millions in Berlin, with numerous trees falling and damaging vehicles and houses. An S-Bahn derailed after hitting a branch. A roof was removed in Pankow. Many traffic lights failed on the streets, according to the Traffic Information Center. The fire department received more than 300 emergency calls. In most cases, it is about operation with broken or fallen trees. In Marienfelde, parts of the roof of warehouse would be missing. After the severe storm on Monday evening, the cleanup work is currently underway in Berlin and Brandenburg. The Berlin-Mitte Roads and Parks Department expressly warns against entering public parks. Life is still in danger.